report that we seem to be seeing has emotionally completely destroyed us. It's nothing but, as far as I can see and whatever I have seen, it's nothing but a bunch of false allegations that have been thrown onto us. The CBI has condemned us for life. They have let my daughter's killer walk free. It's not something I am going to accept. I'm not going to rest in peace. I'm going to fight this till the end, till we get justice for my daughter. Their job was to find the killers of my daughter, not to just condemn me for life and just, take probably the easy way out and finish the case or whatever they have done. I really don't know. But this has shocked and really disturbed us.
आप आगे क्या करेंगे?
अभी आपसे बात करी है lawyers ने. That should answer your question.
And there were 2 to 3 points made by the CBI. They were saying that the servants were not there in that house at that point of time. That's what they.
You just heard our lawyer. We're not going to be talking about the merits of case at this point of time. And I'm sure the court would look at all those things and then come to a conclusion.
तलवार साहब, सीबीआई ने अपनी फाइनल रिपोर्ट दी है, कहा है कि आप मुख्य संदिग्ध हैं, क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
अभी जैसे नुपुर ने भी बताया, इट इज़ हमारे लिए बहुत ही ज़्यादा शॉकिंग और एक कम्प्लीटली हमको सीबीआई पे बहुत भरोसा था कि सीबीआई ठीक इन्वेस्टिगेशन करेगी, सब कुछ करेगी. हमने पूरा कोऑपरेशन करा, जो उन्होंने बोला हमने वो करा. कोई ऐसी चीज़ नहीं छोड़ी जहाँ पे उन्होंने हमारे को बोला और हमने नहीं करा. फिर भी अगर वो इस तरीके से एलिगेशंस लगाते हैं और इसी तरीके से बोलते हैं, इट इज़ वेरी सैड. इट्स अ वेरी वेरी सैड मोमेंट फॉर ऑल ऑफ अस.
क्या लगता है क्यों आपके अगेंस्ट ऐसी रिपोर्ट उन्होंने क्यों दी है? क्या आपको क्या लगता है?
ये तो मेरा कहना, मैं नहीं कह सकता कि क्यों दिया है. ये तो इट इज़ अप टू फॉर देम टू डिसाइड.
So would you want some accountability of the investigating agency, the way they have put out your name, despite...
Absolutely. After having gone through so much in the last 2.5 years, if this is the kind of... First they also say that they don't find anything against somebody, and then they also, they put these kind of allegations against you. The person has gone through each and every test available in this country. What else am I supposed to do to show my innocence? Is there anything else I can do? I would please want to do that. Anybody else wants me to do that, I am willing to do that.
So do you want support?
सर 2.5 साल से सीबीआई के टेस्ट काफ़ी बार आपसे जवाब तलब हुआ. कुछ कभी आपको ऐसा लगा कि ये जो इन्वेस्टिगेशन जा रही है वो किस तरफ जा रही है?
देखिए, हमारे को सीबीआई पे पूरा भरोसा था. मैंने कभी भी 1 मिनट का भी ऐसे नहीं सोचा कि सीबीआई कोई गलत काम करेगी. हम हमेशा सोच रहे थे कि सीबीआई जो है वो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है, हमारे को उनको हेल्प करना है, हमारे को अपनी बेटी के लिए इंसाफ चाहिए, तो जो भी वो कह रहे हैं हमको करना है.
इतने दिन आपको जेल में रखा, उसके बाद 3 नौकरों को जेल में रखा, अब कह रहे हैं कि आप हैं, पहले कह रहे थे वो हैं. आप क्या आगे कोर्ट में कुछ प्रोसीडिंग करेंगे इनके अगेंस्ट या
नहीं? ऐसी अभी तो मैं ये इस पर कुछ चर्चा नहीं करना चाहूँगा.
आप अब क्या
I'll just take that question. 1 minute. Please frame your questions correctly. From the reports that is appearing in the press, I don't think the CBI has conclusively established who the killer is. Please underline that. I think the press is going overboard by emphasizing that the CBI has somehow reached the conclusion. The CBI has only listed circumstances. At the same time, from what is appearing in the press, they seem to have also said that there is no material evidence against Dr. Rajesh Talwar. So please do not call him an accused here. Please do not say that CBI ने इनको दोषी ठहराया है.
ये नहीं कहा जा रहा है, कहीं नहीं कहा जा रहा है.
Coming back to you, do you feel that the report has left too many discrepancies?
Well, firstly, we haven't really seen the report as yet. We need to see that whenever we get it tomorrow, and then we can take a view on that. Not at this moment.